I only have mittens. I am not carrying that. You want me to carry that? It weighs nothing.
All right, we'll see.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, I'd be pretty
Take a
confident in that.
selfie with my picture with the island in the background.
Huh?
But my arms aren't long enough.
Don can do it with, he's got a machine, he's got technology.
Well, I want it on my phone, please.
Oh,
Put it on your phone when we get down.
There, you could do that. You could absolutely do that.
Such a smart ass.
No, no, you will.
Just couldn't help myself.
You will, because you know I'm equipped with peepholes with very pointy tips. And so you know there would be punishment meted out.
Couldn't remember the word.
Oh yeah.
You mean mustard?
Yeah, yeah. But I used to say to my friends, I would like you to stop there, and then we'll get the selfie.
that's what I'm doing, man.
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah, that's,
Okay.
I was just looking to see if you're
Yep.
too close,
We
you
can
can't
show
see
Chrissy
anything.
that we've been to her place
So you
too.
want to stay where you are.
Oh no, I'm coming out with the group. It'll be all of us. Yeah.
I know right now that I have all of you in there. I think, stupid, it won't work with the gloves. Oh, easily. Okay, so now, I'm gonna flip it around, and Alice, with her incredible eyesight,
Okay.
she'll be able to,
What do I do with this?
Nothing, right?
well,
You ram
stick
it.
it somewhere, but
Ram it as far as it'll go.
I don't think you need to.
Oh.
We want you in the picture. Now keep in mind, Alice, I've got a mic.
Oh my God.
It's picking up everything.
Oh my God.
I thought you wanted to be holding the stick, and I can't do
no, I
that.
want you to see if you can see us.
Can you
I
see
can.
us?
I can't.
I can.
All right, what do you guys think?
Oh yeah, let her have,
Good.
let her have, Captain. And then,
Yeah, so we now have a photo, but if you wish to take one with your camera, we
I'm
can.
happy with this. Yeah.
All right. All righty.